Welcome to the new video and happy new year. It is finally 2024 and it feels like 2023 went by too quickly. This video we have something that can really improve your trading. And the reason why I'm saying that is because most people are under the impression that when they start trading, before they start trading, they have to paper trade. And they don't. There's something better and more effective than paper trading, and I would strongly recommend watching this video through the end if you want to know what that is. The reason why I'm saying it's better than paper trading is because with paper trading there are delays. Even if you have real-time data, there are still delays and the orders are executed in your favor, meaning that you will appear to be more profitable than you actually will be when you start trading live. If you don't believe me, you can call your broker and you can ask them. I've already called them. I've confirmed this information. You can go ahead and do it too. So let's jump into it. Today we're looking at Tesla right now, but I just wanted to go over this chart before I hop into this other feature. So as we can see over here, pre-market highs, pre-market lows. We can see it's going down a little bit. Here's our support and resistance levels. As we can see, it breaks the low of the day right there in the first candlestick, second candlestick tick. Could be a good entry right here. Exit right around here is when it comes back. We could have made a profit today trading Tesla. So basically, let's go back to the main point of this video. What is better than the demo trading? Well, there's actually something called on-demand trading. You can't be on a a paper account with this. You have to have a live account. Right now, this is my live account. This is a live account. So on the live account, they have a feature right here called on demand. Select it and then go to a date. Let's say we want to go to December 29th and we want to start at 9:30 a.m. We can go to that date. Right now it's compiling the data. There we go. And we can play this. As you can see, the time is going over here. And the chart is moving right here as if it were in real time. So you can practice trading on the weekend, whenever you have time off of work, whenever you have free time. And this is a better way to improve your trading. And you don't have to pay for it. There are many services that you can pay for. Look over here, it just broke the low of the day, could enter into a short. This would be a good short entry right around here. So yeah, you don't have to pay for this. It just takes, it's a good way to practice. Now, let's say you want to skip ahead a little bit. Let's go to 9:35. I'm gonna go. As we can see, yes, if I did enter that short, it would have been profitable right there. Low of the day, market goes down. And then let's see. 3. Hopefully, this recognizes the PM information. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to type in 15:35 Army time. I'm not sure. Just type that in. Yeah, that's typed in Army time. As we can see, market goes up, down, down. And yeah, just gives you a chance to play with it. So with that being said, this is a gem, and I think that it can really help a lot of people who are trading. And yeah, this is such a good video. It's short, sweet, to the point, and I think this resource can really help you. And this is something that a lot of the traders don't talk about. So with that being said, good trading.